We guide you through how to send an invoice on PayPal in 2026 so you can get paid fast. So the first thing you need to do is to open your PayPal app or go to paypal.com and log in into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Send and Request tab at the top menu, then click Create Invoice. Next, enter your customer's email address to make sure the invoice goes directly to them. After that, add the items or services you're charging for, include a clear description, set the quantity, and type in the price. PayPal will automatically calculate the total for you. And if needed, you can customize the invoice by adding your business logo, changing the currency, applying taxes, or including a note to thank your client and remind them of the payment deadline. Now, choose your payment terms such as due on receipt or within 7, 15, or 30 days to encourage faster payments. Before sending, double check all the details to avoid delays or disputes. When everything looks good, click send and your client will instantly receive the invoice with a secure payment link, allowing them to pay using their PayPal balance, credit card, or debit card, even if they don't have a PayPal account. Once payment is completed, you'll get notification right away and the funds will appear in your PayPal balance.